There were hundreds and hundreds of cars going through, and it's a one-lane bridge, so every car each direction got hit.
People who live on Pine Island and Matlacha are getting fed up with the construction on the Little Pine Island Bridge, not because of traffic, but because of what's going on with their cars. Concrete is splattered all over this car. NBC2's Blaine Montgomery is speaking to residents who say the construction crew's carelessness is costing them money.
You can see crews are out working on the Little Pine Island Bridge. This is where drivers say their cars are getting sprayed with concrete. I spoke to a few people who say it's becoming a recurring headache to get the material off their cars.
When I got to my destination, it was like speckled all over my car.
Susan Dahode is one of several people who say she's been getting an unwanted gift every time she heads home to Bokeelia or off Pine Island. Concrete splatter.
And there was one guy working, and he had a saw, and it was a wet saw, so it had water spraying on it while it was sawing concrete.
Giving Susan's red car a new paint job.
My whole side window was just covered in splatter. My windshield was covered in splatter, and it was like, holy cow, what was that?
She says just after getting a car wash this morning, her car is now covered with the concrete again after going over the bridge. She tells me after the hurricanes, people have enough on their plates.
People here don't need the hassle of dealing with getting their cars washed when they're trying to get their houses livable.
Susan made a Facebook post to see if anyone else had been affected, and several people had similar stories.
I went to my son-in-law's house over in North Fort Myers, and I got to his house and I said, geez, look at all this stuff on my car.
Gary Krivex and Susan tell me it's a hassle to remove.
You have to hand wash it or go through a mechanical wash where it rubs the stuff off, because just spraying it with a hose doesn't take it off.
Use a little bit of water pressure on it just to get it off, then you sponge it down and wash it again, and then it comes off.
I reached out to FDOT, who says they've spoken with the contractor, and a sheet of plywood is being used to help prevent anything from getting on the vehicles. Local on Pine Island, Blaine Montgomery, NBC2.